All right, we want to show you guys where we're at with this FC build. Come on in, we'll show you the latest progress. We've been receiving the texts, the Facebook messages, the post comments. We know it's been a long time coming, but we've gathered some parts. We're finally ready to start building this FC project. So we just kind of want to show you a little bit of what we've got. We did receive the springs from Werx. We've got those painted up so they'll kind of match all of the powder coating that the guys over at Rugged Werx have done. But if you've got an FC and you're looking for new springs, Werx is the place to get the springs without question. As you can see, we've got our pile of parts kind of mocked up, staged as we're going to throw the springs onto the frame. We've been beating this dead horse of the quality of powder coating that we've had done. The guys over at Rugged Werx have been absolutely amazing. So you can see the frame, the axle housing, the motor over here. Those guys have done such a beautiful job of getting everything powder coated for us. Again, we've got it staged. We're going to start putting stuff together. Once we've got the axles onto the springs and connected to the frame, we'll be able to start the disc brake conversion. But once we get the base of it put together and those brakes on, then we can throw the wheels and tires. We have had such great luck with Milestars Patagonias. Absolutely love these tires, so this was our choice when it came to this FC build. If you guys haven't run them before, check them out. Great tire, but that's it. We wanted to show you where things were. We know it's been a long time coming. Life gets in the way, summer gets busy, but we're here. We're super excited. Looking forward to make some progress on this, so we'll keep you updated with regular progress and upcoming videos in the coming weeks. Thanks for following.